Um, it's amazing how the censorship is just going wild. I know once upon a time, the YouTube community was anti-censorship. A video gets flagged down, people were like, hey. Now, nobody cares. Nobody fucking cares. I mean, I didn't expect anything. That video I had taken down, I don't know if YouTube took it down because of the subject was QAnon. I don't know because I was critical of QAnon, if the Q people got upset. Although I never mentioned anybody by name, I did technically reference Agent of Doubt, and I can't imagine he would flag, well, he would flag videos, actually. But I don't think he would flag mine. I mean, keep in mind, Agent of Doubt do a lot of shit you wouldn't think he'd do. But...
Probably true. Anyways, here I am with my report history. You can see that. You can pull that up for yourself if you want to see your own. And I believe this is in order of date. Hard to tell. But the last thing I flagged was somebody put up a video saying that they had the Assassin's Creed Netflix teaser, which actually didn't exist, and this guy was just like collecting clicks on something that everyone was looking for didn't exist, and I flagged it as spam or misleading because I got pissed off because I was looking for that. It didn't exist, and he got me. He got me to click. The next one was a music video that is actually fake. It was a compilation of like other videos put together, and I was looking for the actual music video for that song, which I don't know if it exists, actually. But same thing, spam or misleading. If you look at the dates, those are the last two things that I flagged, and they still are up. YouTube did not agree with me on that. They don't always agree with my flags, but I think once they do agree with a flag of yours, then they take it down. But this is... that's how many flags I've done since 2013. Not that many for somebody who spends so much time on YouTube. I don't remember why I flagged that one. But I do remember why I flagged that one. That one I would still flag to this day. That's a very bad video. Don't recommend going hunting for it. But then there was all of these. I was a little bit more flag happy when I first started out. Then, I got a little bit more sensitive as far as free speech issues. This one, I remember almost 10 years ago. That video came out after that YouTuber died, and that YouTuber, was basically saying because of the way that the YouTuber died, he was going to hell. And I didn't like that message, and I flagged it as hate speech. I was not the only one. I believe it was actually Inventor Gorilla who asked me to join a flagging campaign against that video, and it remains up. I remember that one. Let's see. This one, this was a girl who left a cult. The cult decided to make videos about her, calling her a reprobate. And, basically, it's hard to leave cults, And they were plastering her photo on different things, calling her all sorts of names, And I remember flagging that. But that was like, 2011. And I don't think any other thing that I've ever flagged has stayed up. Hold on. Funny baby hates Budweiser commercial was up. Oh, yeah, this is a guy making his baby cry for a YouTube video. I flagged that as child abuse in 2011, and it's still up. Let's see. Is there anything else? Nope. Everything else that I've ever flagged has gone down because YouTube agreed with me. So that's that. Yeah. Don't know what else to say. No, I didn't flag his video, and I left a comment saying as much. And yeah, now I'm actually curious as to what was in his video, because I don't know what it was.